hell is this? I have never ever seen anything like this in the 3 years I've lived in Mackay.
Have you?
I've never seen anything like this. This is just insane.
How long have you been here?
3 years.
Yeah?
Mate, I've never seen rain like this before anyway.
Well, I've never seen rain like this before.
We've had almost 200 millimetres. I just checked the Bureau.
We had 200 mils the other day and it wasn't like this.
Yeah, I know, it's been a consistent storm, it just hasn't moved.
So it's wet.
Yeah, it has not
I wanted to do the
moved.
same as you, but I can't do it.
I couldn't find my umbrella, I think my old housemates nicked them all.
Yeah. What, do that? Yeah, mate.
See you, mate.
Get washed away.
Sorry?
Might stay here before we get washed away.
Yeah, I know. Might have to bring the stuff upstairs if this keeps up.
Yeah,